I am gonna go make the dogs waffles. Gotta make Tonka and Princess some waffles. Oh. Push the lever back. Oh my gosh. I did not make all that mess, just so y'all know that. That is not all me. Just part of it. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. Ah! Okay. Let's see. Gotta spray. Throw away. Close it. And then it starts. Do I have to flip it? Oh. Okay. I have to flip it. I'm not a big waffle maker, so who knows?
My husband calls me Paula.
That and I know why. That's hilarious. First waffle done. Man, that's some sad. I need a bigger cup. This is Princess's waffle. Oh look, if we flip it over, you can't tell it's not so full. Okay. Now comes Tonka's waffle. Tonka's waffle is going to get a little extra, because Tonka's a little extra. I don't want to set it in there. Okay. Okay, that's Tonka waffle.
What about you?
There we go. That's a Tonka waffle. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait a second. And then give it a flip. Ta-da! Now Tonka's waffle's cooking. They get some butter. This Princess's waffle needs some butter.
Oh, that'd be so cool. I can't wait to see his reaction. He loves water, so. Oh, he'll love it. Yeah, love it. My dogs, they love the first snow of the year. You know, they get out and run. They did the most hilarious thing when I got here. I was like, oh, there's a little bit of dancing out there. You know, I was like, oh, cool, because I mean, we've had a lot of snow. So I had the dogs one hand, you know, and they're like ready to go. It's dusk. And I took my picture, you know, and yeah. And so I got in the room and I just went like, I said, oh, 11 hours and I got flowers. And I posted it. And my son comes in and he says, those look like some pretty shitty smelling flowers. And I'm like, why are you saying that, man? That's stupid. I didn't even look. I just posted it. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Me too, girl. And I have a horse for a dog, but I clean up after him. There's no excuse. You know how they turn their head every time I think that's me. Yeah, they don't listen to November. But I went out to the car to go get something out of the truck, and every time I come to my car, I went to get myself, and I didn't realize that the moon was there. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. Yeah, and if you get caught down there on lake, not cleaning up there, I think I'm, oh yeah, they should. Anyways, I looked for Tonka. Okay, where's your rooming? We're in here. Drive safe.
Thank you. Okay, and since we're at the hotel, we do a little special. I don't normally do this, but just a little, not too much. Okay, now we're gonna go have breakfast with Tonka and Princess. And now we're going to go back to the room. Aunt Jen's walking him so he can go potty. Look who's here. Just in time for breakfast.
No.
Tonka, come on.
No.
Tonka, stop.
Gotta go get Robert and Princess.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, there's waffles. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Tonka says, I want those waffles, Mom. Give me the waffles. Give me the waffles now. Okay, you're going to get some. You've never had waffles, have you? Shh, wait. Just chill. Come on. Come up here. Come on. There you go. Sit. Down. Shh, it's coming. You got to wait for Princess. Let me go get the door. Okay.
Look at him.
Tonka. You ready? Okay, listen. Oh, here. You know what? Let me tear it up for you a little bit. Wait a second. Hold on.
I don't want you to eat my waffles. I don't want to taste them in there.
Yeah, I'm going to taste one too. Mmm.
Oh, it's just licking.
They're pretty good.
Yeah, I just want one of
No,
those.
I just want a bite.
Eat the whole thing.
Mmm. Tonka's going to finish what y'all don't eat. He's a breakfast dog. This is his first time having waffles.
So yeah, Princess, I can't eat any of those now because you licked all of them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad I got one off.
I guess I should have made you two. There, you're so smart. Don't let that plate drop. Good job.
You want me to tear it up for you?
Nope, you can't eat Princess's. She's got to eat first, and then you can have her leftovers.
She'll have
Stay.
leftovers.
Tonka. Stay.
My goodness, you keep dropping the phone.
Hey, Tonka, you never had sausage gravy and biscuits, right? Here, let me try that. He's like, nah, these are not waffles, pancakes, or French toast.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
He doesn't like them.
Nope. Tonka says I'm a northern dog, not a southern dog. Okay, ham and eggs.
So Princess is going to go finish her waffles, and we're going to get ready to go and finish our
Tonka says, who are they kidding? That's not an egg.
trip to Tennessee. So we probably have about 3 more hours.
The Canadian bacon was good, huh?
We'll be there.
Canadian bacon for the northern dog. He won't eat the eggs. These eggs are not real. If Tonka won't eat them, they are not real. Do not eat eggs at La Quinta because they are not real.
That's funny. Stay on the plate.
See, Princess is a breakfast baby too. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. She is killing it.
Yeah, I just want one little.
We need to open up a breakfast restaurant for dogs.
That'd be funny.
Yeah. In our restaurant, we'll specialize in French toast, pancakes, and waffles. And of course, eggs. Look at him. He's like, oh, Princess, are you saving me some?
But good eggs, really.
Do you want Mom to go make you another one? Look, I tried to give him the egg again. I wonder if Princess will eat it. Princess, she'll eat anything. Here, Princess, eat that egg. Oh, look, yep, she's starving.
Oh my gosh, Princess. She wouldn't touch her dog food.
That's why.
On the
She's-
floor.
oh my gosh, she like swallowed that whole egg whole.
Tonka went
That's
in there,
hilarious.
And guess what? She ran over and ate her dog.
That's so funny. Tonka, you're not getting leftovers. Sorry. Princess is, yeah, no. What time is it?
It was 10 or what?
Oh, okay. They're supposed to close at 10. I was afraid I wasn't going to make it down there.
Oh yeah,
Are you looking out there?